Good day everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. On this video I'm going to talk about how to fix if copy paste is not working on Windows 10. Now copy paste is the most basic function in a computer. If it stops working, then you may not work on your computer efficiently. Now there are a couple of easy steps which you can try to fix the problem. One of the basic step to fix the problem is go ahead and restart the computer, and most of the time when you go ahead and restart the computer, the issue would be fixed. In case if the restart of the computer does not fix the issue, there are a couple of steps which you can try to go ahead and fix this issue. Now, so before I could discuss about these steps, let's go ahead and understand this issue. Now, the copy paste function works whenever we copy a text or an image and it gets saved on a virtual clipboard that we cannot see, and when we paste it, it is pasted from the clipboard. All this is managed through a few services, and if copy paste function does not work, we could focus on those services to fix this issue. Now the first and foremost step what you need to do is to fix the problem is you will have to open system32 folder. Now in order to open system32 folder, you will have to open File Explorer. There are different ways to open File Explorer. You can do a right click on the start and go to File Explorer, or else you can click on search and type File Explorer. Once you see in the search results, open the File Explorer. Now on this section, you go to this PC. Once you're on this PC, open C drive, double click and open C drive. Under C drive, open Windows. Under Windows, locate for system32, not system, that is system32. And make sure you do not make any modification, delete or try to rename this file. These are system related files. If you try to rename, you would not be able to rename these folders or files. In case if you try to do that, your computer may not function the way how it is supposed to function. So once you're on the system32 folder, you will have to locate for rdclip. That is rdpclip.exe. That's an application. What you will have to do is you will have to do a right click and click on run as administrator. In case if you get a user access prompt, you may click on yes or continue. So you would not see any action on the screen. You will have to click on run as administrator. For user access control prompt, you may click on continue, leave as is. And the next file or the next thing what you will have to look for is you will have to look for the application name, which is called dwm. Type dwm, or you can also search in the search section and search for dwm. What you will have to do is you will have to do a right click and click on run as administrator. In case if you get user access prompt, you may click on yes or continue. Now after this step, try to reboot your computer and see if that works. In case if all these steps doesn't work in spite of rebooting the computer, there's another step. What you will have to do is you will have to go to search. In the search box, you will have to go ahead and type cmd, that is command prompt. You will have to do a right click on command prompt and run as administrator. In case if you get user access control prompt, you may click on continue, and you will have to go ahead and type this command which says cmd space /c : echo of /clip : Now I will put this command in the video description. You can copy and paste it from the video description. You will have to hit enter. Once you hit enter, you will have to go ahead and restart your computer, and once you restart your computer, try to copy and paste, and that should solve the problem. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.